Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can use the formula of concatenate. Concatenate formula is basically used to merge two text, like here is Ahmad and Fazal. So if I have to merge them, I will use the formula of concatenate. Okay, parentheses open first, and this is for the space between the text, and then I will select the other text and it will work out. Okay, so concatenate basically used to merge two text. So I will just drag down that formula, and you can see uh, it merged the Ahmad, Fazal, Amir, Hamza and Usman Yunus. So this is the way by which you can use the formula of concatenate. It's not a rocket science, it's very simple. So this is all for today, and you need to just subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'm always looking for your feedback. So thank you so much for this video. Okay, and see you in the next one. Thank you.